What is going on, everybody? Beyblade Legend here, and today, guys, I am bringing you guys another Tomy Beyblade unboxing for you guys. So, as you guys can tell by the title or by the thumbnail of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing, boom, Z Achilles. So, this is the first generation of Achilles before chose the Achilles came out, and then Union Achilles came out. So yeah, so we have Z Achilles right here. And honestly, when I first saw Z Achilles like in the American anime, I honestly wanted to get this one just for the tip, because like, you guys know, Igo, he just like pushes it, and then like, well, not really pushes it, but he pulls up and then he turns like 45 degrees, I guess, to like make it a bit taller. But yeah, but now that we have like extend plus, like, you got 3 modes. So yeah. And yes, guys, I also ordered the long bay launcher set R, the one that comes with the plus chip to like upgrade the extend. So yeah, I also ordered that, and it's already on the way to me. So yeah, so this is Z Achilles. Let me put up the camera up. So yeah, so this Beyblade is of course from Korea. So yeah, I mostly buy my Beyblades from Korea, and yeah, and I'll tell you guys and you guys are probably wondering, why do I buy the Korean ones? You guys are probably thinking that they're probably like rip-offs, but no, it's like the same thing, but like different fonts, like always. So yeah, so right here we have Z Achilles, of course. We got the 11 disc, we got the there you have the the regular extend driver. And there you get the use this pro launcher. At the side you do see its owner, which is Iga Akaba, aka which was the main character of Bitter Burst Super C / Turbo. And right here it says like something about the extend. I'm guessing it probably says pull up and twist 45 degrees to make your opponents scrape. I don't know, but it doesn't even show numbers. Anyways, yeah, it is a balance type. Taking a look at the side. Oh, okay. First, taking a look at the top. So at the top is the B-105. So this was released after Winning Valkyrie. So Winning Valkyrie is the B-104, but like, let me go get the box. But honestly, like, if I still had a Winning Valkyrie, my first battle with Z Achilles will be Winning Valkyrie versus Z Achilles with regular extend, and then later I'll do I think it was episode 28 or 29, where they face off in a title battle with extend plus. Anyways, taking a look at the 4 logos, it is the Bay is a balance type, right spin, part of the burst system, and part of the Cho Z layer system. Let that focus. Alright, taking a look at the back, we have ZA, which is Z Achilles. We have the disc, which is 11, and then we have regular extend. Alright, let me turn that on so you guys can see better. Alright, right here you do see its gimmick, which it does have like metal blades right there, of course, just like Winning Valkyrie. And then right here it shows you a gimmick about the extend, and how I think this is like, I think orange is stamina and blue is attack. So I think like on its balance mode it's stamina, but if you like twist it to the next one, it's gonna be attack. I'm not really sure, but yeah, and those are the stats, which I honestly don't know stats. And yeah, so we pretty much looked at everything. So yeah, let's open up Z Achilles. It's been a while since I haven't even opened these like boosters or packs. Oh my god, can I still open it from down there? Okay. So yeah, it's been like a while since I've opened one of these like Beyblade packs, like, no lie. Alright, anyways, we got the Bay all opened up. Alright, so it's gonna come out like this. Ah, crap. Forgot the freaking bottom. Alright, let's see. I guess I can still take it out like that. Let's see. Nope, the top. Frick. Screw the top of that box. Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so we got it opened, and yeah, time for the surprise right here. Alright, let me just take this out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Alright, can't wait to get my hands on that extend. Forget about the... Alright, so here comes so this is the manual, or the... Alright, so here are the stickers and the instructions, which honestly come in this little flap, of course. Alright, anyway, so the box I'm just gonna hang it on my wall like that. Alright, anyway, so let me get Z Achilles out of here, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got Z Achilles all out of the package and with the stickers applied. And yes, guys, just so you guys can know, we will throughout the video we will be comparing it with the Hasbro one, the one that came with the Hasbro Crepeas booster pack, and the Cho Z one, the Cho Z Achilles one. But first, let's start by taking a look at the layer, of course. So here is the layer. So yeah, of course, metal blades, of course. Yeah, pretty nice. Let me get that focused. Boom, there it is. Alright, so you can even hardly even see the stickers on it. So yeah, it just has like 6 stickers. Like the main one is like the shield, which honestly like makes it like more vibrant. But yeah, so here's the metal. That's the metal, and here it is compared to the Hazard Crepeas booster set. Now, yeah, it's like reversed colors. It's like the outline of the shield. It's like if it took the color of this into the shield, and then it took the color of the shield out here. So that's honestly pretty cool that they did that now. Yeah, pretty dope. But yeah, maybe I'll start using more of this one, because like the teeth on this one are not even good. Like let's see the teeth on both of these. So this is the teeth for the Hazard Crepeas booster one, for the Hazard Crepeas booster set. Those are the teeth. And these are the teeth for Z Achilles, the regular one. So looks like teeth look. Wait a minute. Let me compare them side to side. Now it looks like. To me, the last teeth, it actually looks like it's like shorter than this one. But oh well. But yeah. And here it is compared to the Hasbro one. Of course, no metal, but with the DIY Extend Plus. Pretty funny. And yeah, so yeah, the teeth one more time on the Achilles. There it is. Alright, 11. Not a pretty good disc. Pretty unbalanced, because like you guys do see, like it does have like a, I don't know what you call it, but like it has like an engraved, I don't know what you call it, or like engraved line right there. And on this side it doesn't. So yeah, not a good disc. Pretty lightweight. Alright, last but not least is a regular Extend. Now guys, I honestly don't know the difference. Like I honestly don't know like what's the difference between regular Extend and Extend Plus, because like look, so you get so this is balance mode, I think, and this is attack mode. So it's honestly pretty higher. So yeah, so it's got only 2 modes, and I think for Extend Plus it goes like this, like that, and then like another mode up. But for this one it just has like 2 modes. So yeah, and also I did put the sticker on the middle of the thing. So but yeah, alright, so let's see how the teeth are. Hope they're pretty good. Alright, let's see it. Okay, man. Teeth are not okay when I'm locking it, but like when I'm trying to burst it, they're pretty honestly tight. But like whenever like I lock it in, like the teeth are bad. Like holy bad. Like, well, they're not that bad, but like they're not like, they're like kind of not good, but like they're actually good when like oh my goodness, that yeah, those teeth are pretty good. So it's like, it reminds me like one of those like things that's on the road, like spikes like for the wheels. That's what it reminds me. So yeah, so let's start comparing really quick. Alright, so here is Z Achilles compared to the Hasbro one, and yeah, you can tell that honestly the color on this one is like more whiter, because like more white, because like it has like it only has metallic paint. But like I say, if you guys did see my custom video, I used some of that like metal, no, not really metal, but like shiny paint, nail polish from my mom, and I actually like used it on the blade. So yeah, to make it like look like metal, but in reality this one has metal. And then yeah, and then with Extend Plus, of course. And here it is compared to the to the Hazard Crepeas booster pack. Now the only thing is like reverse colors, pretty cool. And yeah, with a destroy driver. And the last thing, honestly, I replaced the disc with a star. So yeah, it's got a red 3 as well. And here is the Achilles compared to Cho's the Achilles, and yeah, of course, Cho's the Achilles got like the blades like, like upside down or something. But yeah, with a super heavy disc and of course like dimension driver, not really the best driver for me. And here is Union Achilles. And here is the Achilles compared to Union Achilles. And yes, guys, just so you guys can know, this is a fake one. And I know what you guys are saying, Mr. Legend. Fake Beyblades have lead, guys. I know. Honestly, I actually bought some fake Beyblades by the Flame brand before I left for winter break at my school, like the last day before leaving before going into winter break. I actually bought like 3 fake Beyblades. So I bought Union Achilles by the Flame brand, and of course with the Extend Plus. I brought Union Achilles, Flare Dragon, and what's the other one? And Tact Longinus. So yeah, and yes, guys, I know what you guys are saying. I had no idea that the fake ones had lead and everything. But yeah, just so you guys can know, it's gonna be the first and last time I buy fake Beyblades. But I was like planning on also buying Knockout Odin, but maybe I'll still buy it. But yeah, anyways, and yeah. And also, I can't really even tell the difference between like regular Extend and Extend Plus. But yeah, anyways, I'll do that in my next video because like we're wasting so much time. So let's go do some test launches and test battles. Alright, we got Z Achilles all out of the packaging and everything. So first, let's do a test battle in its balanced mode. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So there's gonna be a little bit of movement, but it's gonna go to the center. So yeah, guys, like I said, I literally don't know what's the difference between the regular chip from Extend and the Plus chip from Extend Plus. So I honestly don't even know the difference. Like so here's what I'm guessing. So this is the regular Extend. It's like this, and then you switch it up. It's like that, but with three other taps, like, or 2 other taps, like making it not go to its next mode. So yeah, alright, that was the Achilles in its balance mode. Now I switched the mode, so that was balanced, and I pretty much think that's attack. I'm not really sure. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. What? I think I was wrong. I think its lowest mode is attack, and I think its tallest mode is stamina. What? Alright, anyways, moving on. Alright, test battles. We have Spriggan Requiem 0 Zeta going up against Z Achilles 11 Extend, and Z Achilles will be on its low mode. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So I guess I was like technically wrong. Oh my god, 2 huge hits already starting off this battle. Alright, it looks like Spriggan Requiem is spin stealing, and yep, that was Spriggan Requiem with 2 clicks. Alright, let's do one more, but this time I'm gonna put Z Achilles on its Z Achilles on its tallest mode. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Actually, in the last battle, Z Achilles actually got 1 click from that one. Now I think this battle is gonna get more intense right here. And it looks like the winner for that one is still gonna be Spriggan Requiem. Alright, anyways. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's unboxing and review of Z Achilles. And for my final thoughts, do I recommend this bay? No. If I were you, I would get either Cho Z Achilles or Union Achilles, but get the Takeratomi one, because like, you know, this one is like has lead and everything. So if I were you, get either both of these, because like literally Union Achilles comes with that Extend Plus. Like literally you don't even have to like buy the Long Bay launcher R said just for that, like for me, because like I need an extra launcher, and yeah, and I've never had those R launchers. So yeah, And yeah, also one last thing, I also did order the Keratomi Union Achilles, and it's already on the way to me, and now most likely making an unboxing video, maybe next week. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, guys, I if I were you, I would recommend either both of these, because like if you guys buy this one, it comes with an LR launcher, and if you guys need like a string launcher, I recommend this one instead, because like you got yourself an LR launcher, and that's most likely the best one, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna end it here. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a like. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to subscribe and be sure to have that bell on, so you guys won't miss my my next unboxing videos, which they're gonna be like, we're gonna be on a grind. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.